Welcome back. Welcome back. We are live. We are live. We are live. So, how are we all doing today? Let me just set up this first. Please, if you are joining us, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Tell us where you're coming, where you're watching from, and please comment so I will know how many of us that are here this hour. I promised to be here, and now we are here. Although I wanted to broadcast in our second platform, but on the second thought, I have to do it here because I know we'll be there later, maybe early morning in different time. Obina is here. Obina Hero, I see you. You are the first to join us this hour. You are the first person here today. I really appreciate you for that. So some of you may be wondering why am I live at this point? What is going on? Okay, based on the few videos that we published today about the breaking news of what is going on. So I have my number here in case you want to contribute, because if I did not bring the number, I must put your number. Now the number is here. I want to know how many of us that made it today. So we have seen what is trending, or the breaking news about the voice note of Butozo. Okay. After I published the first video, then I saw reaction from Butozo, not Butozo, Royce. Royce made a post, and that post, many, not one, not two, not three. As of the time we made that video, the second video, we counted it up to 9 to 10 posts, different posts, trying to, debunk the message. Then I have to try my best to see if I can get a concrete information to get the truth. And the truth is with me. So please like the video. And Godfrey, I see you. John Abaleke, I see you guys. 3 of you have made comments, and 1 of you have not liked the video. Please like the video so that others will know that we are live, because that will help the owner of the platform to push it for others to join us. Okay, and most of you are new to me. Obina Hero is the only person that I have seen him recently. I can recognize him, to be honest with you. So please, let us not share falsehood. The message and the audio is real, because I don't know why our people are like this. I don't know why somebody will deliberately open a platform, using that platform to lie to people. It beat my imagination. Why must somebody open a platform, using that platform to propagate lies, to deceive people? Why must it be like that? That is a very bad sign, to be honest with you. And what made me to go extra mile to ask the authenticity of that audio, in case you have not watched you have not listened to that, or maybe watch our video, or you don't know what I'm talking about, that is breaking news that Commander Butozo made, which we have shared that here. I will try my best to see if I can get it. I can pick it up now, then I will play it again, so that we will not mix out on what we are saying. So that audio is real, but for somebody to open a Twitter Space account and use that space to call himself a commander to deceive people, it is height of corruption. I was actually believing that the person is real, but today, if my doubt was if my doubt was 10%, now it has gone to 95 or 98. Okay, my goodness, people can be so determined, and he still he he's still writing something. As we are speaking now, I just check on him. It happened that 3 hours ago he actually made another tweet. Of course, I believe that this is not the only tweet that he has made after that our broadcast. Let me see if it's the only one. Just a moment. So please like the video, okay? Like the video, and after this, I will open the line for any of you that will have something to say. Maybe you have a question to or any contribution, you can call in. Chidin Joko, I see you. Okonkwo Basil. Good evening from, okay, thank you. I'm actually trying to get it up. I'm trying to get it up so that you will listen to that before we move forward. This psychologically, you will know that what he's trying to do is to discredit everything. That's the agenda. That's the intention. To make it look like everything about that audio and is useless, and that is to tell you is not a genuine commander. I don't think it's real, and today has proven to that, because like I said, I was in doubt. Sometimes I feel like maybe, but now it's too obvious. It is way too obvious, and he's a very good pretender. That's the word. He pretends, his own pretense is second to none. I see you, Odo. I see you. Good evening to you. Good evening to you as well. Let us hear this.
Yeah, men don't work today. This time they pass of the amount tanker. The amount tanker have a sick have that room to put Kagama. Here, pass. More than make it there, do the amount tanker, Mahawa. Ndara. I they wait for now. Even this one at the beginning of my work. Hope I go catch you one day. May no worry. I got go great Ivy. Hello.
This is today's update. I've not watched it before, so I'm trying to see if it is something that I can share. Okay, because sometimes when you see a video like this, if you want to share it, then you see a graphic image. It's not allowed here.
So I confirm on I'm a busy lawyer. That's it. You watch, I got a channel. I confirm with the channel. I go in. Channel going to buy the good everything not a quarter. Because here, okay, I'm going to she can't know she busy lawyer. So watch, I can hold the chain. Low fear got this side. Then the cause I got here. The no longer how she can. The longer how she can, she busy lawyer.
Are you nature?
See what I'm obviously at the thing.
I see, I hear you.
You watch, you can't hook in the channel front. You hook in the channel front.
Stella.
Not the channel or the channel was another day. I can see front again. So here I was at the end.
Just give me a moment, okay? Let me confirm this first before I.
Decide. Obviously, look what I got. You can go on the busy one. If you're not busy, go on to the chain.
Okay. Let me read a message from I said, I am gradually getting addicted to the channel, always checking for updates every now and then. Thanks, man. Thanks, man. You are doing a great work for Biafra. Thank you so much, iNature. And Stella said, my question still remains, where has Butoso been all these 2 months that they have been buying Biafrans? Does it mean that he has not been seeing what is going on, even the social media? Why is he coming? Okay, that is why I said people should not, you know, call them names on my platform or insult them. I know not that I know, but I can tell just a few things about the politics going on, which some of us don't pay attention to or observe it very, very well. There's a lot of politics going on, and some of these politics they are playing comes with propaganda, but mainly with lies. You may say, yeah, propaganda, but the word should be lies. And from Ogenkere, a desperate man is very, very dangerous to deal with. Someone that is very, very desperate. Desperate in the sense that they want to be something and they want to maintain who they want to be. Any chance they have, they can do and don't do. They want to utilize that chance to prove that they're up to something. Men on ground are not like you. They have other things bothering them. You know that. They have other things bothering them. I'm not here to defend them or validate why they're gone. You know, they muted everything for 2 months, going 3 months, right? That's what I'm just trying to tell you. They have been in contact, or they were in contact with Ogenkere and some of their groups. And you know, in a jungle, you should be very careful because you don't know who is hungry that can devour you. So they themselves also are playing, trading with caution. That's why I said your anger should be channeled to people who actually facilitate that, deception and lie that made them to go to muted. That thing that made them to go gaga by not doing what they're supposed to do all this while. Channel your anger on them. Don't call them names for now, because I understand how everybody wants you to be, not including myself. Butoso and Royce are there one person. Why can't Butoso come out and clear his stand on site at home, or sit at home? See, sit at home issue is also political statement. I will tell you why. Am I supposed to sit at home? Yes. But I cannot use my platform to promote it. Why? Because the people who initiated it are not. That's me. If I do that, I'm validating their order. Whereas I don't want to validate it. But Biafrans need to understand that nobody's against it at home. Why people are against it is because the people that are championing it shouldn't be there to champion something like that. And they are doing that to make themselves relevant, because they felt that Biafra would bite into that out of emotion. But if you do that, you are doing that at the same time validating them as your leader. So for you not to validate them, you need to decline, that kind of thing, and wait for the government to issue stay at home. Last month, like I asked you, last month they buy people. So why don't them issue stay at home that time? Why now? Why do they choose now to issue stay at home? So that you be that they are the one in command and all that. You just get the politics that are going on with it. So they are playing the politics. You need to understand, decode everything that we want to do and why they do what they do at that time. Now, the people like this have already said that Butoso should come out. Butoso is not on social media. Now I understand what people have been saying, that there's no way Butoso will be on social media even and then. Do you know that some of us that are creating content, making videos, posting things on social media, Royce is more active than us. That's why I don't. Royce is just. I don't believe he's not. He's not. He's not. He has nothing to do with Butoso. I can have come to conclusion. I can tell you that because everything he said in the past contradict themselves. And go and watch Gentle. When Gent is when each time he made his video, he also that I agreed with okay, there's another commander that I posted his video few days ago, uh, where we talked about what's his name? This guy says that his name is Lim. I have seen your comment on people's platform. This is how you are going from place to place. Okay, you should at least you should be ashamed of yourself. I don't need to insult you, but your attitude sometimes is shocking. People are not seeing your comment too. I'm doing because your comment is YT seized it. They seized your comment because of the word you use here. So some people that are watching me now don't know that there's somebody that made a comment here yapping nonsense. I'm the only one saying it. I'm not gonna bring it up because the comment it doesn't worth it. So that's by the way. Now, the this guy called Royce, it is obvious that he's not. Okay, he is nothing at all. He's not Butoso. That's what I mean by he's nothing at all. He's not. He's not. You can't compare him with Butoso. They are two different things. Two different persons rather. They are two different persons. I was thinking that maybe he's a second in command or that. That does not mean that he's not a division army. He may be in the army, but he's not who he claimed that he is. Some people believe that he's not even that this is Sana Barawa and Ogenkere. Sana Barawa and Chiamaka Jere. These are the ones, or maybe somebody else. It could be anybody. Do you understand? That are using the platform to do their bidding. But that's just by the way. Because he also claimed, before I forgot, he claimed that he had issue with his platform early December. We are here, we don't see anything like that. This guy had been active. There's no time this guy struggled with his account. The only time he said that the account had issue was when he used that account to insult PM. And Biafran was like, what? He started twisting it that he's sorry that his second used it. So this is just a scam platform. And there's no two ways about it. But that's by the way, like I said. Butuzo, every commander that you have watched that video, before they end their broadcast or their video, they will say, or maybe when they're starting the video, they will always greet Butuzo. General Butuzo, some of them maybe if another commander, excuse me. Hello. Yeah, my brother, Kekina. Yeah, I know I'm live for. Your name is what? Amechi?
Yeah.
Okay, you are the one that said who is Royce and who is the Butuzo. When will all this confusion stop? Okay. Amechi, continue.
Yeah. Kai, if you remember, there was a time I called in, I engaged you, we spoke for a very long time.
Yes.
I can say that we agreed on so many issues. Then we had our differences, but it was a very conducive conversation. So today, a lot of news are flying around, and there's a lot of confusion. Too many. In fact, there's too many confusion in the government, in the organization itself. How much more we that are supporting what what you guys are
What
doing,
is-
or rather,
What is the confusion you're
being
talking about?
informed.
We are not. I'm not part of government, yo. So you know, go weak. I'm not then.
I understand you are not in the government, but at least since you always analyze most of the comments and discuss about the issue, I believe you are close to people who are in government, even if you're not in government.
Okay, continue.
So what I'm asking, there is this confusion about who is Ross, who is Butuzo. Are they the same person? Are they different people? Or is Butuzo and Aparawa? You know, this is very important.
Okay.
A general that controls an army that protects a country, a nation. Anyway, let me not go there. Another thing that confuses me is about this sit at home. Do we just sit at home, or don't we have? Because everybody said there's no sit at home. Somebody said it's Butuzo, there must be sit at home. The reason I'm asking this question, you know why?
Okay.
The reason I'm asking this question, sometimes you might find yourself in a particular platform. When you say things based on what you get from the government or from media, somebody will come to attack you, say you are enemy of Biafra. Okay, if you drop that narrative and decide to follow another narrative, another person from another camp will then attack you. And the one that pains me a lot is when somebody tells me you are an enemy of Biafra, you are one Nigerianist, you are Sabo. And within me, I know I am not. Or rather, I know I've sacrificed something for all this struggle. Then somebody will come to accuse you, not based on my own opinion, but based on opinion that is let out by the government itself. Then somebody will come to attack you because of that. It hurts. So the two questions I have is this: who is this Butuzo or Ross, or are they the same person? Why will Ngozi Orebeze come to debunk what we saw on Facebook? We don't know whom to follow. We don't know whether our army is with Ngozi Orebeze or our army is with Ogenkere. We don't know who to follow. But that is, by the way, is just sit at home or not?
Okay, so your first question, because I would like to take it one by one, the one I can answer. Your first question is who is Butuzo, who is Ross, right? So that confusion, everywhere in a lot of people are confused about it. So many people. So it depends on how you analyze it. But to me, I have paid close attention to his post. Some of you that followed me will know that sometimes I post. So I will just come out and read his comments, his post, and tell you what I feel about it. Which some of you agree, some will tell you, that I am the one that is creating problem. I understand that because everyone have chance to, do what they want to do, to choose who you want to follow. Are you getting the point? Issue of who is Butuzo and who is Rod, I can only tell you my own analysis, but I cannot force it on you. So I can only tell you my own belief. So I don't have the right to tell you, yes, that I have done my investigation and he's that. No. If I tell you that means
everyone is entitled to his opinion.
Yeah, that's
if what I believe or to leave it.
Yes, if I tell
so
you,
I'm listening.
Okay, if I tell you like that means I'm lying to you, which I don't want to do that. So my own analysis and belief is this: he is not Butuzo at all. In fact, Butuzo don't even know that account. Are you getting my point? He may know that doesn't mean that he don't know Butuzo. I believe that he knows Butuzo, but I don't think he's with Butuzo, like then Butuzo tell him, okay, go and do this, I don't have time, go and post something, because he's making it look like sometimes his post sounds like he's doing what he's doing on behalf of Butuzo. Sometimes he want to take position of Butuzo that he himself is Butuzo. So like I said, as someone who follows all the posts that he made, I have seen a lot of changes in his words. There's a post that he made a few weeks ago where he said, I and Butuzo. If he's Butuzo, he cannot say I and Butuzo. He forgot that he had been making posts. After making posts, he said, C. Royce, aka General Butos. I get the point. And today, that audio surfaced, which he's not in control, because if that audio is his voice, he would have made another voice note immediately and counter it. But what did he do? He started posting. In a day, what he posts in a day, it maximum 3, 4. But today, I have count 10, 9 to 10. Meaning, when somebody provoke you, if somebody provokes you, like for me now, like my platform here, sometimes I post 2 video in a day, 3. If I post a lot, 4. If you can count it, do you understand? Then anything you see me that maybe I here in my platform I post up to 5, 7, 8 video a day. That means somebody must have done something that I won't address that is extraordinary. Are you getting the point? But for the fact that he choose to post simply means that he don't have the voice to make that voice note once and everybody will get rest. Because if
my brother, listen. Let us not go into this analysis because it doesn't make sense at all. You know why I say it doesn't make sense?
Tell me.
We just had a voice. We just had a voice note. We also have a write-up post.
From who?
I can make a voice. Now I can make a voice. Anybody can make a voice. Anybody can make posts. So trying to analyze.
No. You said no. Hold on. My brother, hold on. You said that what the analysis that I'm making does not make any sense. Then I want to know why is it not making sense. Forget about anybody can make voice notes. Do you know Buto's voice? If you hear the voice, can you recognize his voice?
No.
Then I'm telling you that I have listened to the voice of Buto's before. So that this voice is the voice that is circulating on social media is his voice. It's Buto's voice.
Bro, you don't even know who is Buto's. You don't even know his voice.
You should have asked me. See, you should have asked me how. You should have asked me how do you know his voice? Then I think that was what I was expecting from you. How do you know that he is?
When I have before at length. So I'm even discussing now. I don't want to discourage anybody, especially those who are fans listening to your channel. So let's leave that topic and go to the other one.
You have right. See, you have right to say anything you want. This my platform is not for anybody. Okay, it's for everybody. It's not for one. So if you
respect people a lot, people who are very, very serious with this struggle, because you and I know that there were some not serious. There were some they create conflict everywhere. I just can't name with you. The name was some people there's a lot of things that needs to be fine-tuned. And government itself will try to ignore these things, believing that it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. If it doesn't matter, nobody should die in our land anymore. Not when people are dying. Some people will be taking it like a joke or like not very serious.
My brother,
it's enough to be serious.
Gente, can you go step by step? The issue about that now, if you have anything that is confused, like if you want to say something, don't swallow your words. Voice it out. You are not doing me a favor. Like if you kick against everything, you are not doing me a favor, my brother. Don't see it as though I don't want to make you angry. Angry for what, one? If it is for everybody. I'm not so
no. It surprises me that you speak like this. I will be very frank with you. You are the only person in this Biafra media or YouTube or Facebook. You are the only person that speaks this way. Other people, they will cut you off. Other people, they will blast you. They will call you Sapo. They will call you DOS. They will call you so many things. They won't even give this time we are speaking now. So I'm surprised. But in any case, for me, I'm a platform. Somebody is saying even Kabul because therefore I try to content myself with what I believe will not offend anybody. So on that note,
say anything you want to say. Don't worry about Sabo. So why would I call you Sabo? Do I know you?
that is the decency that is lacking in this organization.
Continue.
I don't know when somebody will tell you he's a minister to a government, he's a commander in an army, he is a general, but they talk like the street touts.
Governor, I see you.
Recognize what he wants to say, then another person will, jump up and start, the thing, it makes me weep sometimes. I'm not Jew. I am with Biafra, I'm with Biafra. I am this serious, I am serious. It bothers me a lot. That's why I'm being very careful with my words these days, honestly, I'm telling you. Otherwise, you find people who will threaten you. Then when also, I will record what you're saying. Evidence. You know those kinds of words.
What I mean.
Okay, every time there has a Holy Ghost, and I threaten on your own. Only threaten for my COS. And we're only a threaten. And the moment we're in the way, you see my no come out. I will listen to and I will be happy. Therefore, I always try to, the thing, can't you see what is happening?
Okay. Can work in there. Last time I get a go, I want to say that I'm not going to just boot to Obiana. If it is not that na ikujo raveze ma kujo ogenkere. No more ka I make it. No. Are you the Biafran? If you want to each me your guama. And what are the point? My honorable ngwage ezoku, if you know ezoku. If you want to believe, you believe. If you don't want, no problem. And I'm not you don't know even again near special.
Okay, on that note, let me say this.
Okay,
if you give me that permission, let me say this.
Continue.
The other day, maybe a day or 2 days ago, I saw some people with flags in a secluded area, kind of fence plots. So, there, we're flag now, we're snapping a support, support anyway. When you look at such video, how do you feel? Some video they put up, but they put up and they fly in and they say, "I put this in." Or if I will be after one, but they don't put this video and they Yoruba na Afia. Or if I will be after one, that phone na no so go. Or if I be from one on them, okay, look at those people not there. They got a flag. All of them are hungry. Content is zero face. So therefore, even then after that today, some people will make a shop. A particular guy who is your friend, the way he behaves tells me that the guy more himself.
Which guy?
How can you come out today? You say A and B. If that's it tomorrow, you stand against A and B you said yesterday. Every name that is associated with this Biafra, Remigius has the book was on Chani in the DC. Anyone let me know switch the Lafia, or Fico, Fifobodio, Omanona, was in any and I was Asanania. But Tiffany now, Octopaziachi. I don't understand. More than one is the kid, the order, because someone after your own name. Cabinet, Hannah Hafia.
Matego Gunia, Imani equal not to talk about Oben Kamasaga of Makatu Saga. Mana issue of Keremages. One thing I want my brother in this life one on here. Everybody must not be you. That's the who Remages is like. Remages is about Nancy Ketan. I may be very quiet. You know, feature you in order. You could say no to those like no more saga. Upon matter with email ya. And I cannot be like another person. Go on never tell you on our toash. If you could evidence it goes on our toash. Each of you cannot to pass was by you could on our toash. So, guys, you want
let's go to that one.
Yeah?
Let's go. I love logic.
Okay.
I like logic,
okay.
Let's go to that one.
Okay.
Somebody like Remigius about one day. go na Butuzo and the Commander Ross. No phone and no phone and no one was on the Balawa. Or the videos Kuria.
He did evidence. He did evidence, no Kuria.
Evidence.
How you provide that video about Kuria? You get what ya? What are
you saying? Mama, I was here. Give me time and just share with you. What you send I'll give you a one.
In Kenegina, give me get a work.
Okay. Let me give it as assignment.
Okay.
I'll look for it. I'll forward it to you. To take me just time. I can't now. Delete to go and card each man somewhere.
Eventually,
another evidence is this. Images. This and that. Whatever. You think it's evidence. The same images only yesterday alone, just yesterday or this morning. But I wasn't by alone. The was no Maganato Riase. On a watch you put it in. On a Punato Riase. On a Punia great seer. Therefore,
not for us, not getting
you know?
Not for us, not getting man.
Anyway,
my brother, say can work one thing. Madi maybe have a man now that very easy. In our other point, he may have a man on it. So if we no Madi Kulugu in that if you does not mean no ashiko. Because he for money, Maria.
No. Don't play that. Don't play that game. Listen.
Upload game.
This is now against. I am a Ronya Bosone Balawa and my Fury and Yimali. But I am a Ronya Butuzo. I am a Ronya Ross.
So
somebody now working at Ross and Butuzo, Ronya Balawa. But on Gima now, Ima Reva Balawa, and them and Ross DJ, Ima Butuzo DJ. Somebody now working on the same person. You cannot see with evidence.
Manaros, no, we are wagging all your Butuzo. Yes, now.
For me, listen. If you want the truth is this. The truth is this.
Yeah.
The Ross was just the fictitious name. The human being as a Ross. Ross was just so when they get something. Even Butuzo.
You are saying the same with them in the pool. No, we have for so I'm not working now.
Okay, now listen. Now, we have a government.
No, can I put in get it? In my family, let me just get a so actually, because after them now, a few days ago, all they put at somebody.
Only a week, or the popple. Them phone number let me choose. My number 9 here. It only this number, my number.
A joke of number, to be honest with you. A joke of number.
Face to face, where for the guy? For the guy. Only for today. If you are no police, but I'm not quite any put up.
Nagini man.
Some money and the refugees as if none may see as one and may see and do. That particular refugees, well,
my brother, in my family,
face to face. If your man was Yana, you got to go. Another issue, very important today. Because our president sit at home. Butuzo sit at home. Now, my problem is this. A government, because the president lead, government time will army. Whether your commander, your general, and everything, you don't know who they are. You don't know them. Confusion everywhere. It is very bad. Because they are the now, because in the resident, they will sit at home. Somebody knows somewhere. They will sit at home. So if I'm not just get at home, I'm not just as a general question. Because sit at home or kadete or not the house.
Which
Oh, my
of
question.
which of sit at home ka ị na-ekwu maka ya? Monday sit at home ka nke one?
One sit at home or when at 13 and 15 or kadete or not the house.
Nke mụ ama maka ya bụ nke Monday morning, ama m nke ị na-ekwu 13, 15. I don't know that one.
Okay, Monday kadete.
Ọ dị ya.
Okay.
Nke a dị. Udo dị ya dịrị gị mma. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. So I will just listen. I will address you because you know go.
Okay.
Just listen. Just drop the call. Can suggest some of the things you put. Then you check it. Watch your back.
All right.
Thank you. PM. This man is very confused. Were you not the one that said in English that they should speak English just now? I am an Atuzen match. So you understand English? Okay, that's PM. You said English, my brother, thanks. So you want us to speak in English, but you understand the Igbo language. Anyway, my brother, one thing I want to know why I find out that now. Everybody, God wired us differently. The way you behave is different from another person. What is a problem to you may be very normal to another person. Okay? And the time that maybe your patient and another person's patient is not the same. The issue of remedies, this is how good remedies is. He may see him that maybe you want him to be kind of quiet, patient person. He's not. He can't stand any maybe lies or not vibrate about it. So that is his own lifestyle. That doesn't mean that he's a bad person, he's a liar. I don't buy that idea. To be honest with you, I don't. You have right to. I respect you for what you believe on, but let us not just see it as not a propagandist. Openly like when it will happen, and that's. But don't paint him bad. Not before now, bro. I don't people no angel. Like nobody's above mistake. But this idea of now like market, I prefer now even new. But he may not be like that. I don't see him as a preacher of life, personally, but you can perceive him that way. Then the issue of Royce and Butoso, like I told you, everybody have their own belief about who is Royce, who is Butoso. I've told you that what I'm saying is my own personal opinion. I don't know them in person, but the audio. Why I said that audio is audio of Butoso is because Ogenkere Camp played an audio which they said is Butoso's audio. Okay, they agree that they themselves agree that is Butoso speaking. The same voice is what we are listening to today. That is also saying what most of you have listened to. That he's with a USB government, and it's not old audio. So when I shared that audio here, then I went back to check the reaction from some people, some platforms. Behold, I came across Roy's response and reaction. He may say that him as a Butoso, that audio is his old audio where he was telling Biafrans that he's back, that they hijack his account. But that, according to him, that audio was made on December, just a few months ago. But tell me, all these months before the convention, Roy is always active on his handle. There was no time that he claimed that he don't have any access to his account or something like that. So that is a lie from pit of hell. Are you getting the point? Then, but on the second thought, I have to be sure, because there's a difference between that you think that this thing is like this, and you have verified, and another thing is that you verify that thing that is what you think it is. So I have to ask some people to check if that audio is actually what they said, what the audio is all about. It happened that audio is recent, because my own question, what I'm trying to investigate about it is if that audio is truly new or old. But I am 100% sure that it's Butuzo's voice. So are you getting the point? Then another thing that you need to understand is that psychologically, if you commit something, if you are so desperate, you'll be like I was explaining that to you before. You said that my analysis is not yielding fruits to you. You don't like it. That it's a senseless comment that I was making to you, according to you. Then I have to withdraw and allow you to say what you want to say for peace to reign. But the truth is that if you have something, maybe somebody provoke you, or you'll be typing something fast. Excuse me. Okay, we are on air now. Continue.
Yeah. So the issue of this Dr. Ngozi Parabezi and Sonia Parawa and Obi Perry. I would have put matter this way, but it's not something because of the nature of my workshop.
I understand.
But what is there is that this thing, I understand that these people quickly rush to put that seat at home, knowing fully well that if PM happen to be around, that's what you're going to do. You understand? And why they put it is just to see how they can turn the mind of people to themselves. You understand?
Exactly.
Because even in our office, the message has been circulated already.
Okay.
You understand? We have the report. So, and from the look of things, I know that the governors will not allow that to happen. That is simple truth. There is no way it's going to happen. This is at home, yeah.
Okay.
You only sit at home that, somehow people just willingly adhere to. It's just that, you said Monday sit at home. You understand? Even as much as I believe the intention of putting that seat at home is valid, is genuine.
Yes.
You understand? But because of the disputes they are having, because honestly, I felt for Muslim become after listening to how he vibrated. You understand? Yeah. And for me, if people are actually willing for these things to be done, let it be done once and for all. You understand? In as much as maybe social media doesn't, allow some of these, some comments, you understand, of which the only person pushing that without fear was the PM.
Yeah.
And that is why they go after him. And yes, and the country we are, it doesn't, or if you try to massage things, if you just allow them, they will hold him dead forever.
I know.
You understand? They don't care whether he dies there and whatever will happen, it doesn't concern them. You understand?
Yeah.
But my thing is that because I was listening to a guy on the JJ yesterday. So I wrote to them, and at the time I got irritated. So I have to leave because one guy was speaking Igbo and abusing one other person that is speaking English. I don't know whether that guy that is making that comment saying what they did to Namikano is wrong. Why the Igbo guy is trying to use the trajectory, with Igbo language. He will speak English, he will speak Igbo, that Namikano lie that they killed 58 people. That Namikano said only 8. In fact, the guy hates Namikano speak up. You understand? But I know, like what I told them there, that go on comments section. You understand? That guy that is saying that thing is not an Igbo person. You understand? And that is why he's trying to project that language so that people will believe. Because I know that it's not Igbo program that they were hosting there. So that people will assume that this person is from Igbo. So even the guy that was talking said, how can that he picture that someone from the southeast is the one that is attacking him? So we understand all this game. You understand? So putting it at home is something that's supposed to be in order if there is unity. You understand? If there is unity. Because now they don't even know who is with Ngozi, Dr. Ngozi Rakwezia, and who is with majority that, or those that are with either is the Holy Ghost and or the other guy that is with
Okay.
Yes, and now they're and they are interchanging the names. You understand? And if you watch Gentle, you understand?
Yeah.
You see that there is another side of Gentle. You understand? That is not following some of this social media stuff. You understand?
Yeah.
So and it doesn't want to come out to say, okay, this is where, that is how you know someone who actually want this and want to work with people that will support what we are fighting for.
Yeah.
You understand? Not to cause a lot of misunderstanding. And it's a pity that, when people that you expect and they are carrying on begin to act this way, it becomes very difficult for them to earn the trust of people. You understand? We are all in this together. You understand? All of us are into this, but there are things one can't just do until,
I understand you. Ima, one thing I wanted just to add some to what you just said. The issue of Gentle is just like he's on. He knows what he's doing. The problem is not about those like Holy Ghost and that. They're not the problem. The problem is the guy called Royce, the account. I don't know if you are aware of that account. Have you seen the?
Is the faceless person now?
That person. That person, I don't think he. That's why to me, he's not. Bututu don't know what that guy is doing. So, like I said, the audio that is on social media today about what Bututu said. When you if you check the countenance of Ogenkere group after that video, they were like they don't know, they don't have anything to say, like their usual self. And because normally they would have jump out on social media and start broadcasting, talking, or to that kind of thing to counter it. But it took them some time before they now make up something to lay hands upon. So that is where I felt like that's the only thing that I saw that made me to say, okay, this dojo is authentic. Then after that, they have to listen to. I will have to go and read the write up of Royce. I was laughing because I have been following him because if you want to know somebody, if you want to study somebody, don't just judge him by one of his posts, 2 posts. Just follow him. You will see, one day he will make a mistake. Just keep on keeping the record of what the person is saying to know who the person is and what he actually stands for. Then, after going through his message today, I have not seen him pump messages like today. He sent this one and sent and sent and sent. So, trying to convince people that this is what that audio is old one and all that. Then I was still not convinced. I have to put a call to ask some people what is going. Then finally I got the real information. The audio, I have the audio, but I don't have permission to play it. You understand? So let us just forget about it. The only thing is that Anybody have right to believe whatever they want to believe. Uh, COS and the Ogenkere is forcing himself on people, which Mazangano did not do. Before Mazangano, earn people's respect like that he has it today. Like everybody's singing his praise and everything. People love him. He did not just wake up one day and he appeared like that. You have to prove to people what you stand for, how serious you are. But just to prove that the account that they said that you are managing, what happened? What is going on with that account? You refused. Next thing, yeah, that you want to be like PM, that PM don't attend to any criticism and all that. Who said that? So a lot of controversy, but let's see how he will manage it, my brother. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
God bless you. So it is very clear that Gento is loyal to our PM. All of them claim they are loyal to our PM, but the only thing is that who are they loyal to now? And like I said, that old deal is what it do. That old deal that we go 247 shared is real. Okay, that's all I can say about it. So if you still want to contribute anything at all, the number is still here. You can just call before we end up this program because we're not going to spend much time unless if you want it to be. And Anthony Umede said, "Good evening, my brother. Watching from Chile. I see you, my brother. Nice to have you. Thank you. CTV, you are muted. Okay, that was then. Why I moved? Because I don't know. I don't want to bring somebody's voice in public unless if the person want to. Because sometimes you don't know who is calling you for the program or for any other thing. Please understand me on that. Okay, and this our brother I called before. You said something that I was trying to explain. Okay, another call. Exodus is here. My brother, I see you. My chairman, Keija.
Nah. I think I'm just very lucky enough. Jam on a programmer, very, very late hour from my outside. Just jam on the Simba.
Yeah,
and I throw a small
man. So if you're gonna audio na buto message.
Now when the audio I want the trend today now. Just like you said. I'm going for the audio. Get it to me.
Yeah.
I'm going to try to say I'm going to touch from Gamana reaction. Gamana reaction side of Gera. Yatago. I'm going to phone Bamba do to ourselves. We see Arabahana Koiri. Abokata Butuzo, Ross, Abobaros, Butuzo. So, when I say this Rosa, or Butuzo, Ross. Now, this is a little bit confused. So, come Kanga check in Moros Twitter handle. Gazette of Fuzeberos and I say, Biafrans to ignore the voice. No voice, you want back long time ago. So more where Desiree as a comment see one our voice in a Kawana and all the wrong then I see Biafra did not ignore it. I won't know the wrong. Like come on no Ross I can what they will do so. Why can't you make another voice note to debunk the voice?
Exactly. Instead of pumping message. It was even legal.
So the issue not there now. One Ima and they buy just like we normally used to tell them. Banaka and
yeah.
Biafrans, we Biafrans. I am not like Oyana Torajase. I am not like we Korobaga Bagoke Korobatu Abatu. Biafrans they follow you name making sense. When I want his you, they will follow you. Yatago. Even analysis now, Biafrans they follow you because analysis again are touch on and their heart. You know why is you and they're not supporting your job. And that's the reason why more you like a bargain. Just like other people you like a bargain. And then you know about the freedom of speech. You are not abusive. You are calm and you are calculative and you are tolerant. You know about time when you go with butcher again. So after in the times of Yon and Kumaka, Emmanuel remains almost some point of the grade, almost some things which I had over there.
Actually, add, actually, add,
Add something. Now, when you're like, I know freedom of speech, right?
when I'm negative.
Which are more Biafra, Georgia.
Yeah.
Georgia. So you want to freedom of speech, you put mind there. Also, I had a good now. I made mistake with the minister 101. I put that size. Yeah, that's really very well. Iman, no matter how you sound, no matter how you claim, only got like only get it by you. No matter how good go out, can report in the JBA program. You have forgotten about some people to brag.
Iman, somebody just get 30 minutes ban, get that. Right back. Somebody can just get 30 minutes ban. Like Iman, your times we not live now. You not comment. I may time you out. You might comment again for 30 minutes.
Okay.
So to prove to you now, I'm like you can now work you.
I tell you, no matter how you get to the baby, over the long pile of him, I'm gonna minus now.
Yeah.
I want to make my own comment regarding our brother, Reminus.
Chichi, I say I'm coming to you. Why Chichi call on the program? I can't know again now. Wait a
I want to go.
Continue again.
Okay, I want to make a few comments regarding my brother, Reminus. With all due respect, I love Roman personally. I like Reminus. He's done a ballet.
Yeah.
I but almost some certain things comment in this year, no, but that's some certain times now they make more sense. I'm saying from my own side, I'm not condemning him. Almost some certain pronouncement in this year, no way, but sometimes on a day wrong and on our fake news. Nobody is perfect.
It's not fake.
Always some certain pronouncement in on broadcast move for some information on it with them. Not the one fake. You know, on perfect. Perfect. And always some certain things on them on your bad speed. In a broadcast, you're not there a minute and without going through the right source. You know, I know the under government. I'm talking about like it to wrong. And we understand that now we are under government, Biafran government, now. I'm with the Minister of Information, where's US. As I know our media, as soon as I media, they broadcast, podcasters, and the bloggers, no way Biafran, just like we speak yesterday. When you actually make any broadcast or Gaga two ways and on when they make it broadcast. Always some pronouncement is going on your platform. You will destroy a lot of souls. You will discourage a lot of people. You can even give some people hypertension and heartbreak. Guys on the going on the web. So I'm gonna be very, very careful. So no news, so don't know Ketana. Always some broadcast so many last time and about Google Mazugo 247. Mazugo allegation. On a gang against him. Even though we have there people my upon the channel here. But all those things doesn't make sense to me. You know, you can get with information from Goko. You see that in the Finland government in charge our PM with the terrorism and all those things. I don't know the information put 3 days ago. Without you consulting at least give on the Biafran government information minister and PJS saying that we here
my brother, check and yell it.
Broadcaster now, actually about this thing. Now, because no got there, you always some certain things so important. No, way like that. It will not go down to the ears of your listeners. You have to go.
Eventually, I'm not going to if you could check and take on before. Call now, but can work some take on later. In my one thing, about that now. Remedies in a walk ya. You know, like now, if it was I to go 247. I have I when they made the Ugo 247 accused him. I did not watch the video, but due to the way people were talking about it, and I have to go and watch the Medu's video. After watching the Medu's video, my brother, I don't blame the Medu, so I will not lie to you. Why about that now? According to Hede Mejisuku, Yan go on contact. Okay? Open only for me, go not like it. If you just put a call to him. But he did not call. He decided to blame him on his own platform. And I don't think an aqua believer not fake you because somebody like it will make that kind of thing talk about Gobi. And don't begin to be manageable of maybe he's a kind of emotional person. Man, Otoseku Apoku does not mean that no a strong heart like that. Okay, what that was the point? I'm not
point my people don't come more land there before get cheap again.
land there.
To the land now. I don't know whether I make material watch a reply of Mazigo 247 or you don't make it. Watch quarantine Mazigo 247.
I watch him. Even if he said the name.
I'm on the jacket. Mother is posing a judgment based on who you put. Or you go and give an answer statement. You know, that word down you want to pronounce on my platform here. Go 247 and can't get against someone. Always very wrong statement. And to go 247 and make a matter. Not to look at that now. You know, we can't go against anybody. Always on the things so we pronounce on your post statement. You are indirectly or technically blackmailing the Biafran government at the same time, making them look stupid, at the same time creating unnecessary false information in the ears of listeners. And the young one, inside the government, by a lot of things. And all know when you know all this was in GSM.
My brother, you were going to go in order. Kai have go do all those things. Just Kai Kuku Basalifan because I go I can not get no Sagana Basaga no I don't need it. You know so everybody
on the topic Moana Basaga, Moana and I don't think no a very wrong statement. Anyone on a media is gonna be very, very careful what we say.
Yeah.
I don't think that kind of thing. You know, so you see all the other perfect. And the time no only make mistake and not correct. But you know me well as a more come look at I'm not above mistake. Only for come maybe something not wrong correct I will save the correction. But you know me well as it correct now. When you feel now when I correct yeah. One don't with me. I don't like to talk about, but you come live people put it on our side. Any mistake come live for put it on our side on social media. How come social media cannot correct you now?
So bad. Even no stand by can does because go it's a way platform so so you just call back in our I don't think
one come up now my mind. All my mind can be so what put now when you're John Moab.
I know you. I'm feeling. But just can you do because you can call me anytime in our as long as thank you. So Cambodia and the okay. Thank you. Hello?
Yeah, but so let me just say one or two.
Okay.
Yeah. I said the one of the conclusion there is because this voice of the person, his statement, his tweets is always somehow in uniform with that of Holy Ghost. And Holy Ghost somehow acting like representing what is it called? Do you understand?
Yeah.
So that is why there is some, because normally those initial time, even before PM was arrested, when this guy hosted it, that was called the other man that made this hosted it. And he started saying that he told him not to, answer that interview, go for that interview. So those early saying that wasn't even, I don't know that guy, called Roy.
Are you saying that Royce is Akbarawa? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, indirectly, because from the whole thing, now, unless maybe this guy of this Holy Ghost now come out and maybe we'll stop seeing him, supporting those things, they will now know that, okay, he is now actually working with Butuzo, and then that statement, that audio you played, you can now believe that, okay, this is actually a new audio coming from Butuzo. Then we will now believe that somebody else was actually using Butuzo, Royce was using Butuzo's name at that user, but because if what Butuzo, I have not heard much from Butuzo, I have not seen his face.
Yeah.
You understand? I normally watch Holy Ghost right from time.
Yeah. And
I've heard him mention him right from time. So, but my challenge with him is that, he is always a kind of, if you read the Royal statement and listen to Commander Holy Ghost, he discovered that it's like both of them are speaking for this other guy, Butuzo. You understand?
Yeah.
So it's only this Commander Holy Ghost now, if actually is under Butuzo, and it's Butuzo that has been sending him to make some of those statements, which also the other guy will claim that is the Royce. At times will say is AKA Butuzo.
Yeah.
You understand? So at the time you will say you will now separate them, Royce and Butuzo.
Exactly.
So now, so if the only person now that can clear this thing, unless himself has decided to now disobey his boss, which is Butuzo, that is the Holy Ghost.
But have you listened to the audio of Butuzo today?
The one you played now.
Yes.
Yes, the one you played earlier. I listened to it.
Okay.
From your platform.
Okay. So
yes,
that you heard him say where he said that that people are using his name, that he's not aware of it.
Yes.
And at the end, he said that he said that he's back.
He's back, yeah.
Okay. So that is why, because
now Royce is trying to counter that now.
Trying to counter that, but like you said, if when you pay close attention to what Royce is saying and statement of the way Sonak will talk, like there's someone that made a comment here. This is our brother Armstrong. Armstrong just put it right, in the right way. He said, "Whatever is Royce. My reason is that if you listen to Sonia speak, he sounds like when you read the write-up of Royce. Exactly. Both the manner of insult, like the way he insults Igbo people, but we are just assuming, right? We cannot say that we are 100% sure of who is who. But to me, that I believe that, like today, I'd like to check somebody's countenance, especially when this kind of thing happened today, that this news surfaced and it is obvious they don't like it. If Ross had any issue with his account before, maybe someone tried to hack it, would have known that, because personally I'm not aware of it, that somebody tried to use his name to create false account, or a kind of using his name to act as if he's one. So I'm not aware of it. But today, that audio is circulating on social media. He wants to say that that audio was on December. No, September, October, November, December, January, all this month, the guy has been active on his account. So all of a sudden, he want to try to trick us that he was having issue with that account. Somebody hacked it, and miraculously he recovered it, and all. It's a lie. And if truly he had issue with that, why must you use text message to debunk it? Why don't you make another video so we can hear the same audio, right? As simple as that. And it's not as if you don't have platform to post it to. because people that work with Ogenkere, since they are together, can also help him to. You should just record the video and send it to Chiamaka Jere or Sona Parawa, and they will play it on the platform to counter this one. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I understand what you're
It's
saying.
just to watch out how things will happen, because Holy Ghost is one person that is very focused on the media too. You understand? He shows his face and
of course, Holy Ghost, and he would like to stand.
He's working with Sonny.
So yeah, that's what I wanted. So both of them, he would like to stand with Sonny, of course. That one is obvious. That one is obvious.
And we have to help. That means if the two have turned back, then there will be problem between them. You understand? It cannot be loyal to Tuzo in the camp, and also then go against what Tuzo is saying.
I don't think there will be problem because he don't have any choice than to follow, to make U-turn. You understand as well. Because he will not like to start a battle that you can't. He will not. Continue.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, my brother.
I'm done.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. So let's go back to people that called when our brother was talking. I will start with this number. I think from start with this. Vitus. I see. Hello. Hello, brother. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Good morning from here.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yes.
Sorry, you called me before.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yes.
Good morning from here.
Can you reduce the volume of your phone or TV set? I don't know.
Is it okay now?
Yeah, it is better. It is now. It is perfect now. Not even okay.
Okay. Sorry, man. I'm lagging in at the other one.
Okay.
Good morning. Sorry. Thank you for calling back.
Thank you.
I'm in the group. I joined them late, and I'm not following most of the time.
Okay.
And I like what you said, your exposes. Thank you for your work.
Thank you, bro.
I'm sorry you today. Actually,
Okay.
Actually, that our DPM is functioning exactly like our PM. Okay. Our PM can never post anything that is not real. Our PM are not any propaganda like that. Anything PM will try to the public is authentic, verified and confirmed. And that is what track our TPM saying. If that audio that is going around, that audio is 1,000 plus 1,000 plus 1,000% authentic. And that audio is ruled for 2-3 days or a March. Remember the last voice of Kutu's was when Yala Onyami were some voice altercation, which did not end well. Or now, Kutuza is back. That means a lot. He said, we have one government, USB. I know the propaganda government, which means he is aware that we're propaganda government, and he has been around the propaganda government, and often a propaganda government cannot give us Biafra. So he said, I am back.
Exactly.
So, but all they will do, actually, a few days and few weeks, few months from now, let's see how things turn out.
No,
how things will be working in the Biafra territory, in the area of our defense.
Yeah, he get in if Ross no say that na everyone they are try he play character Butozo. Also that he told them that he's gonna that by March things will start happening, but he decided to narrow it down, meaning that it is no longer March, it's gonna start now. Today there are some activities already which I'm going to share with us now. Okay, just let me, I will flip the camera so you can watch it. This is one of the activities. As of,
Okay, one other thing you could before that, right?
okay.
You said that Ross get more than 9 messages from your earlier program.
Yes.
In one day.
Yes, in one day, yes.
Yeah, a sign of somebody under immense pressure. Somebody, and he was making a lot of mistakes in those write-ups.
God bless you.
It shows you about the disorganized. He is trying to scramble for words, and let me mistake, rubbish. And then, Sonia Brown and their media idiots. It took them time before they could pull themselves back because India hit her like a hurricane. They were never expecting it. It's just a hurricane. They never thought it would be possible or it would even happen in this world because they didn't know that they are also watching and monitoring before this update. I am telling you, I don't want to say my name, but I am telling you with confidence and I'm telling you with all information, all I know.
Okay.
Things have changed. If you see this number after a major program, you will get the boy back. I will now tell you in private, and why I'm telling you in confidence. But I don't want to say it on air.
Okay.
Many people when they matter my voice, they're familiar, but I don't care. But I'm telling you, you will see the change and how things will turn in the next few days, few weeks, few months from now. But the joke, it's not about talking. It's not about making noise. I have to go go 2 months, nothing to show for it. And we can't remain like that. And thank God that we are not going to remain. Igwe Butuzo is completely back and he's back. That's all. Governor Abeze is working. The government is working.
Thank you for that.
Things are happening.
Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. So let us call the all right. Let us call the another person. Okay. Okay, Kasi Bongo. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Manana, good evening to you. Welcome.
Thank you. Can I talk now?
Yeah, the floor is yours. Continue.
Okay. My brother, I want to thank you so much.
Thank you.
You are doing a very great job for us. In fact, since I started watching you or listening to your broadcast, I have used you to replace that one that called himself Biafra Unite. I've used you to replace him. Now, every day, if I did not listen to your message, I will not feel happy. I will not feel fine.
Excuse me, don't replace anybody, please.
No, this is my decision. This is me. It is my own decision. Because even the message he made yesterday, the broadcast he made yesterday, if not that you came back today to come explain well that message, in fact, that man almost take me back. I'm telling you. But when you were analyzing everything bit by bit, I'm telling you, I get everything accurate. This man thought that he can use our brain. He thought that he can use us and toil us like that.
Oh my goodness.
And exactly what you said is what they have already planned and line it out. That is what they are going to do. And he is the one coming out to come out and start it. I thank God for you. I want to encourage you to continue the good work you are doing. God will bless you.
Amen.
God will bless you. God must surely remember you. Remember your children.
Amen.
For all these things you are doing. The way you are helping to make sure that our Deputy Prime Minister stand on his feet. I thank you so much. I thank you. Like this message you are doing this evening. I don't understand who is Roy and the Igwe Butus. I don't know. In fact, these people are confusing us. They are confusing us. Imagine. Now, Now, is it Igwe Butuzo that is saying that he has come back? Or is Roy that is saying he has come back? He don't want to be in a propaganda group again. I don't understand.
Oh my goodness. My brother.
Oh, my brother, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Let's hear from Butuzo.
Information na-enweta dịka ndị ji aha m were na-eme ụtụtụ sibụka onye memere so onye debere onye memere onye beziri nwa gọọmenti and otu gọọmenti ahụ ka anyị kwụkwana and otu ala ji na Churefi sibụka onye mara bụla besi anyị aka ya ngwa ka hụ na ihe a na-eme na-aga aga na Butuzo beziri na one gọọmenti and Butuzo belivuru ka Biafra were bịa and mbọ m onwe m na-agba oke ihe niile anyị na-eme ka ọ na-enwe isi si biko na Butuzo anọ ha na propaganda gọọmenti ihe m nọ na USB gọọmenti one mind one Biafra and otu ala ji aka na jụrụ biko fodo.
Good evening to you. Welcome. I called you back because I missed your call.
Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Okay, I can hear you clearly now. Yeah.
Okay, so...
Yes, thank you, my brother Kia, for calling back. You're doing a wonderful work, doing a wonderful job.
Thank you.
Just to contribute a little bit concerning this audio.
Okay.
In this very audio, any person that have been following what is going on, we know. Number one, there has not been any argument about anything concerning sit at home in the first place. There has not been any argument in this since after the November, December, the declaration of Biafra concerning sit at home, which this man, Butuzo, removed himself from that one in the first place. That's number one. Then number two, there has not been anything concerning government that he made any audio to say he is in this government or he is not in that government.
Never.
So this is the first time.
This is the first time, yeah.
This is the first audio that he ever made concerning this government. So any person that is trying to confuse people, nobody will confuse me and tell me this is an old audio. It's 100% not true. Okay. The only thing I can understand in this very Royce is this: they are using this. They are using this very Twitter handle in the name of Butuzo. So, but only thing I can believe is some of the things they do there, Butuzo know they are using that his name.
Okay.
As Royce. But maybe he cannot tell exactly what they are doing. He sounds like somebody who is not always, who maybe he know something about media, maybe once in a while.
Yeah.
They might give him information of what they are talking, or what the information they are giving the media. So, but all this while, maybe I believe to some extent that some of the information these people are dishing out there, he don't know about it. I believe to some certain extent.
That is what it is.
So,
that is what it is. You have said it all. That's exactly what it is, because I believe the same thing, that he's not aware of how they are using his name. Maybe he's aware that they're using his name,
yes,
but he don't know what they do with the name. You understand?
With the name.
And the issue of the audio, like you likely said, that this is the first time he's making his stand on which government he stands with, and he have not said anything about it before. You understand? So this is the first time, and the countenance of the Royce after that audio surfaced on social media, to me, is another evidence, because it is more easier for you to debunk it on voice note as well, since the message came out on voice note. So why must you keep on posting this one, you post again, you post again? You are doing that because you cannot manage your fake your voice to sound like this one that is on social media. So you can't fake it. So it is more easier for him to just record voice and send it to the people that are willing to share it on social media. So that's another
Exactly. Exactly. And that's why, liars, they always think they're clever.
Exactly.
People that lie so much, and they don't used to think that people will sit down and analyze a lot of things. Yeah. And as long as people are concerned with what have been happening, people are following up. So every single step, people are monitoring what is going on.
Yeah.
So they can never deceive any clever man that this audio is old audio. It's pure lie. It's not an old audio. Even if you are telling me this is not this voice is not Butuzo's voice, it would have been even more better than this is an old audio.
Yeah.
So they're not clever in their lies, and that is what normally happens with liars. So their tense is completely rubbish. When the man said he's back, and when you watch the voice, this very particular voice, and then you go and watch the voice of that time he encountered Onyame.
Yeah, of course, they're the same.
You will find out that this particular voice, these Butus will feel more relaxed. When you are carrying burden and you are frustrated with the thing that is going on. So that time he was speaking with Onyame, he was a kind of frustrated.
Yeah.
With anger and a lot of other things. So now he come back with his mind, and he want to feel free.
No, I don't think that I don't think that anybody is doubting that it's not his voice. You understand? I don't think that the voice is his voice. No, I have not seen anybody that said, okay, this is not Butozo. I have not seen anybody that said that.
No, what I'm saying is it would have been more better for the Parawa themselves to say this voice is not his voice. Everybody know. I know when I heard this voice, I know his voice. But if they have been arguing, it will sound a little bit more than to say that this voice is old voice. That's what I'm trying to say. But his voice is 100% his voice.
Like if they have said that maybe that the voice is AI, something like that.
It will have been more better,
yeah,
than to say this is an old. And when you're speaking, when you're frustrated and you're not happy and you're maybe a kind of this thing, you will see a little bit frustration. But when you listen to his voice, you will know that this is the kind of person who is back home.
Yeah.
And he wants to free himself.
Yeah.
So he's free now. He's completely free, and he speaks from his mind. So that's what I'm trying to pick from this.
You are very observant.
Making up anything is a lie.
You are very, very observant. What you just said is just wrong. Let me see if I can play the old audio, like the one that when he was where he argued with Oyami. Let me.
Yes.
I think that audio is with me here. Let me see. Just a moment.
Okay.
Because he was very, very angry. So
yes,
you can sense that maybe I don't want to say he was under pressure, but somebody was pushing him somehow.
He was not happy.
Let me get it. I don't want to play something that is not supposed to be on air. Let me be sure. So are you saying that Royce is on Akbarawa, or you suspect that he's someone else?
All I know
Royce is not Butuzo. It can be any of them.
Yeah.
That's what I think. He's not the person handling this particular this thing. He's not 100%.
Okay.
I believe it. You don't know most of the things, but did you know that they are using his name to this very handle to give out some message? Yes, I believe, but not everything that they are doing with that, but this particular handle that he is aware. I believe that 100%.
Okay. And another thing is that why is it that Bututo can send his audio out to tell people that he's not the owner, that like he claimed that this is audio where he was trying to tell Biafran that somebody is using his account or somebody fake his account to know the real one. Why don't he post that his audio in that platform? You understand? Because we have not seen any video. All he can do there is just to write up and post, write something and post. But when he wants to address Biafrans, he will send audio. It doesn't make sense to me personally.
That shows that he's not the person handling the audio, handling that particular what do you call it? That Royce.
Yeah.
He's not the person handling it. He's 100%. He's not the person handling it. It's just like maybe I'm here. So if something happened, I will send somebody and say this is what happened.
Yes.
In the field, the person will use that handle and post to the world what is happening.
Exactly.
In the name of my name.
Your name.
So, and the other person will be using it to issue out statement, which I don't have time to go and check it. But anytime I want to do something on my like that audio, I will make that audio on my own and send it. But he might not even know how to handle Twitter.
Twitter, yeah. I thought as much. Let's not listen to him.
On the space today throughout, I can retweet, but I cannot go on my own listen and write tweet on my this thing. You understand?
Yeah.
But if you write tweet now, when I come to you, and I can retweet and write whatever I want to, or respond or reply.
Okay.
But let me go to my own tweet and make a statement that is on my own without not that
original post.
Direct.
Yeah.
I don't know how to do it. Like today, I wanted to join the tweet to enter and have discussion with them. I tried everything for 2 hours. I couldn't do it. So it depends on the level somebody is aware.
Your awareness of if you want to do Twitter, you have to card it. You have to pay for that. Like for you to have. You have to pay for that, like for you to have a space to type a very long piece, a long note on Twitter or post a long video, that kind of thing. Yeah, you have to pay. You have to put your card there and choose all the kind of annually or I think maybe depending on there's choice that you can make your choice. There may be 6 months, 1 year, like that. So you make your choice there.
To join that. Yeah, to join them on the space and have discussions.
No, that one is free. That one is free.
And that's what I was trying to say. Okay. I don't know how to enter or to request for the mic, whatever. So I tried it for 2 hours today. I couldn't because when they were discussing about this thing today, I wanted to join, but I couldn't join. So I said, okay, I just forget it. Then.
Were you using phone or laptop? Were you using phone or laptop? Were you using phone or laptop?
Yeah. Please?
Were you using phone to try? You were trying it with your phone or laptop or PC?
I was trying with my phone. With my phone.
Okay.
I don't use laptop because most of the time I'm outside the store.
Okay, sir. No problem. So let me just play the voice of that conversation. One of the.
You people just can't get some half another little politics. I don't know the little all the little one some of that man get them you people just can't get some money or some money man get in a federal prison so that the kind of image of Biafra Liberation Army. Okay, I have seen okay become
So this is when he was very, very angry. You understand?
Angry.
Yes. Then compare it with this one now. If you not work at the camp.
Yeah.
Propaganda government, him now in a USB government, one mind, one Biafra, and Dr. Alaja Kana Jurefi. Because for those of you, Mandela use Aham, Mandela then Kana dead, Mandela Kunkale Kuku, Kanana Putuzana Putuza that way.
So if somebody was using his trying to use his platform, his platform is the Roy's platform is not known for this to tell you that the comment here is totally different from what he want to twist it to. You understand? So they are not the same. So CTV, thank you so much for your super chat. I really appreciate it for that. God bless you. So let us
thank you, my brother.
let us continue. If you want to say something?
No. I'm finished. I'm done. Okay. Thank you so much. Until next time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. So that's our brother there. And if you still want to add anything, maybe you want to call. And this is our sister Chichi. Chichi baby, right? it was na it bag. What you said is true, yes, so just a moment, okay.
I'm going to so him now low Biafra Biafra. So because I can say can go on.
Say not today. Okay.
Kwa uzima ruko yuntu yukwaka ruko taka. We must fight to get Biafra. We must fight to restore Biafra. Which na yememe. And they believe we need to declare great state of Biafra. So in Hama Geruma Geruma Kameru Gwem. And so they keep him na audible.
Thank you for that.
A contribution on the guys a man and Casco to our enemy. Kashidema whatever. Come with Waran York. We move forward. Can we keep me Katensi City? Or the Baram, or the Babaron. Women on Grand. I go on as we see, I could be a France and Azon. So we ensure that we must get Biafra. Nabutuzo, Anawa, Leben, Heja Hamako, and Mammy Hamma, him what I Jahamako, but in Hamao, Honorable Australia Buruja Ham, one you couldn't get a Pacifico, that stop war. Our Bafa. You good, so that all watching and command. One order, we must follow one order. Take up here, Muslim, we are watching and command. So, we do the run. And they won. That's a good number.
Hello?
Produce us back again.
Hello?
I greet you. You heard the voice. That voice you heard is that of Butuzo, Igwe Butuzo, the Commander General, United States Air Force Army. Butuzo have come to terms with the United States Air Force government, and the Butuzo is now back. As you rightly heard in the video, he is fully back, and I think it's a good one on there. It's a good one, okay. And this is not about who do this, who do that. I want everybody to forge ahead from here. Butuzo is fully back to defend and to save the land, our motherland, our ancestral land, ancestral home, Biafra land. And everybody should do the needful. Come out now and the support.
Okay.
Okay, you're still live, right?
Yes. Continue.
Okay. What I wanted to add more regarding the voice note of Butuzo. I'm very, very happy.
Okay.
And I noticed that a lot of Biafrans are also very, very happy regarding the voice note. And I like what the man, the caller, said. He said one thing about our COS is that our COS doesn't post propaganda on her posts.
Yeah.
Our COS is authentic, just like our Prime Minister, Samanepa, authentic. Our Prime Minister doesn't post fake news on his platform. It's original. Whatever update he gives to us is real. Mm-hmm. And the voice note now from the Butuzo have tested. You have tested from the open side. For me, I'm just saying my mind from my own side. You have heard from open side, and we have come to realize that open and who has been lying to him. You understand?
Yeah.
And he also have heard from the cry of Biafrans. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, go from Biafrans. Biafrans in the Bagua. That's your Butuzo. Our Granada broken currency. Jay it in mind of no increase a deceiver, no increase a liar. Because so can Grega to men on the ground has say, we're seeing that now Tongos is working against them, that they don't want them to be funded. Amami Otago.
Yeah.
Someone has said, Abraham and Hajubega at the first instance they hate where the Tongos and also hate where Biafran government. But how they go that way, the two sides, therefore, that no can create a liar, therefore can create a deceiver. So they don't have any other choice than to fall back to Biafran government. And document that now one way or the other, these people, anything about regarding the land of the Biafra will fight against them because some of them take report to defend the people and to defend the land.
Okay.
So Uruzen and I go is against the land of Biafra. They are scared of what the Biafran land would do against them. Own betray here. So Butuzo don't have any other choice than to go back and fall back and to defend the Biafran land. And the Ozimuan is together Butuzo Ketano to from a Poronia will say that only one government can work and that is falling back to Biafran government. Yeah, make sure none fall back that the Biafran government with all with truthfulness and with sincerity of heart. Yeah, that none follow back or one organ create one way or another to come and deceive Biafran government can put a ego and then hang out whatever we also. Or one we do the eye or go to
your brain be very active. Very active. Anyway, continue.
So our one would you be or well, you need to put your way like Baba because here I find a man all paying them more. You can never deceive Biafrans and go scot free. Millions of Biafrans are go none or there, and they are looking for justice. Honorable claim on women on the ground. They should do the job with the sincerity of heart. Only the women on the ground, you're winning or each region of Biafran government they go in the name of Yahoo. Biafran land will deal with you. I am one sure of it. A couple of noble name, Yak Wakayota. I want the little knowledge more the little contribution to the program tonight.
That's a lot.
Thank you, my brother, and continue your good job. If you're going to the testimony, some other callers in the they compliment
my brother, have a good compliment.
Your analysis is making sense to them, and you are helping a lot.
Have a compliment.
So we Biafrans will continue to pray for you, encourage you, carry report. We can continue doing a good job and not allow the devil to enter you. You
don't allow this to enter me. I'm in box. Anyway, my brother, thank you so much. Our Evo brother, Exodus Biafra TV. Thank you so much, and God bless you. So, audio. Everybody everybody. I don't want to say they're in a WhatsApp group, but everybody have the way or his or her own way to contribute in making sure they debunk the audio. And Sonny is not left out. Sonny Akparawa is not left out. He tried to do his own shenanigan. And one of it is one of the audio that most of you have listened to, that audio where the two will say that they have not received any funding from COS. That audio, if you know, you know. That's what, because they don't have any other audio to counter it. So if they can go back and start and bring that audio, that simply means that if Royce is the one, they would have, called him and request a new audio from him. Let me flip the camera so that you will see. So it will not be as if I'm taking it up. This is Sonny Akparawa. Look at him here. Okay, and he made this post 7 hours ago, meaning that he was looking for something to counter it, and he did not see any other thing than to bring this audio that you're about to listen to now. Let me play it. So you will hear that. I don't know why he's dancing.
Babazo and Co. I don't know them, they don't know me. So here the whole cabinet about OPM, Simon Abanahago, the body man on the land, but still. I'm a boy, I'm a boy, so the little fair by and water from Ogo girl. Oh, you only do one. Udo drone Yagazia. And the 5 naira, fat them 10 naira, 15 naira. We can do government about the bed, not kind. Undam man again to the world. I can put a mon.
Yes, that's
Since you're about to be able to submit to Thailand government, now as I'm talking to you, nothing have come from Ungoza Rabaza to men on ground. Maybe I and they had you for an air. So I am a coach to take an associated to their work. Okay. And the success. Success. So some matter now about one day, etc. Let my recognize others. I'm a me 5 around. Mangozara Bezo and Co. I don't know them, they don't know me. So here at the whole cabinet about OPM, Simon Abanahago, really bad the men on ground. But still, I'm a queen and I'm a queen and man. So the little fair by and water from Ogo girl. Only only to go for now. Udo drone Yagazia. The 5 naira, fat them 10 naira, 15 naira. We can do government about the bed, now can show from Gozara Bezo. Ndaba ya Kalamono. Oyanu Nanoli Autinara Ligue Butozo, the Chief of Defense Staff, all of Biafra land. Amanoka Dada Lamani Kuba Satarangozo Arabezo and a fundraiser Nane Butozo and the men on ground. And Okwane Canon Anulia, so come back at the fire corner. And Gozo Arabezo and Co. Since December, PM have been in. Since December, declaration of Biafra, the super have abandoned us. Even penny, 1 naira, 500, 200 have not gone to my boss. And the highlight and the opening hand and men on ground. Except Ogo Good and the sources, these people have the one day I might would not sustained till now. So Asukan can go both diaspora, both to home, both unemployed. And I am in Alulia, what the general Ligotozo, Udo.
Okay. So that is Sonny Akparawa's in a way of debunking it. And that audio was his Butuzo's audio message 29th of January. So we are now in February. Today is 11. Okay. Now, this audio is the same. If you want to, like, they claim that this one is old audio of Butuzo on December. Okay, in the Butuzo's audio message in December, which is a lie. The question is, why is it that Butuzo was able to come out here to record a voice note and counter the program that Dorama made with his voice that no money, he's not receiving, he have not received any money, because so that's what they told him. Ogenkere told him. So he was following Ogenkere's instruction. That was why he was able to make this audio. Then they have access to ask him to make this audio to counter that. Now that this audio is in public, they don't have access. What they're doing now is maybe they will have it tomorrow. I don't trust anything here, okay? Because anyway, they can change like weather. But for now, they don't have access. Butuzo have not given them access again to record another one to counter it. This audio, they use this audio to, according to Butuzo here, that he heard that Rama saying that they told him, okay, Butuzo, they're claiming that give you money, this is how Ngozi is giving this reference. Can you send the audio? He record the audio and give to them, they publish it immediately to counter that. Then, since the audio surfaced today in the morning, they have not, convinced Bluetooth again to record another audio. Then the only thing they have, they remember, okay, now since the Bluetooth is doing strong here to give us another audio, let us just go to our platform, which is X of Royce, and they quickly rush there to give you excuse. I don't know if you are following what I'm saying. So it is more reasonable for them to use audio to counter this one now than telling Butuzo to use audio to counter a program that Adadrama did. This message is for all Biafrans. Adadrama program is just for the Adadrama platform and her followers. You understand? But this one is audio that Butuzo is now in USB. They refuse to convince him again to bring audio to counter it because they failed. Not that they refused, they failed to convince him rather. Now, I just played the voice note. This one that they listened to now is the one they were able to convince him to do, to prove to Biafrans that if anybody is telling you that CS is giving them money, that's a lie. They quickly made up this video. And that is the voice of Butuzo. It's not that I'm not here to tell you that there is a fake. No. But they were able to convince Butuzo to record, to do that video, that audio. Just connect the dots to know that what all everybody have said here about the whole thing is true. Okay? Now, let us, for some of you that maybe you are doubting if the audio is Butuzo or not, look at the one that he said today. Then you know that it's him. So the voice is the same.
My account, a contribution. The guy say me and cash go to our enemy. Cash them already. Come with York. We move forward. Can we keep me? Katen City, Oda Baram, Oda Babaron, women on ground. I go on as we see, I go Biafrans and Azo. So we ensure that you must get Biafra. And Abutuzo, Anaqua, Leben, Eja Hamako, and Mammy him what Raja Hamako, but him out on your Bolosso Yaburuja Ham. One you couldn't get a Yapico, that stop war. Our Bafa. You couldn't, so that all watching and command.
So, Oyeja family could get a question, meaning that in your various platform, not that Oyejugo platform, because this message can come from somebody who is advising another broadcaster, not somebody who is trying to impersonate him, because he understands that yes, people are using his name, so he wants to use the opportunity to caution them. So he's not saying Oyeji, meaning that anybody in your own various platform, you want to claim that you are Butuzo, your Butuzo send you and all that. And one more thing is that I don't know. I have not. Let me check this person first before I say what I want to say. Let me confirm it. Just let me use this phone. Just a moment. Let us continue listening to him. I want to confirm something before that.
One order. You must follow one order. The copy of Muslim Kuya, one chain and command. So, we do to run. And they won. That's a good number. We do us back again.
I greet you. You heard the voice. That voice you heard is that of Butuzo, Igwe Butuzo, the Commander General, United States Biafra Army. Butuzo have come to terms with the United States or Biafra government, and the Butuzo is now back. As you rightly heard in the video, he is fully back, and I think it's a good one on it. It's a good one, okay? And this is not about who do this, who do that. I want everybody to forge ahead from here. Butuzo is fully back to defend and to save the land, our motherland, our ancestral land, our ancestral home, Biafra land. And everybody should do the needful. Come out now and support Igwe Butuzo and the whole of Biafran army. Butuzo have accepted to fight and work with the United States government of Biafra. Whoever is telling you anything from those sides, ranting, ignore them. And then there is nothing like any sit at home anywhere. So ignore them as well. We move from here. Ebon.
Okay. So today, the only program that Chiamaka have made today, they focus the attention on the sit at home which they called. Okay, none of them have tried to debunk this one using their platform. So only thing you can see from them is about the sit at home. They don't want to talk about this audio. So you get why. So for you, because that's what I told you just now, let me confirm something. The program he made today is 1, 2, 3, unlike him. How many of you remember how they gathered, the day that Samanepa's PM's wife was coming to their platform? William Ilu said, Kai, master of all life, when are you going to stop lying?
Stop throwing away your old car battery.
Excuse me. When are you going to stop lying to Biafran? Your eyes will soon clear. And I'm surprised that you are the only person here that can say that. You have proved you have fulfilled the word of Scripture that in every 12 there must be Judas. So as we gathered here, you decide to be the only Judas. I hear you. And it is good for my eye to clear from your lies and your propaganda. So that is okay for me. Can I block the I will do that, my sister. I will do that, of course. Although we are okay, Armstrong is watching, so there's no need. Armstrong, I have put him where he belongs. So my people, we have come to an end of this live broadcast, okay? Just for us to get it, right, that this is what is going on, this is the right thing, this is what is playing out. Without it now, at least you can see what is playing out. When when the things are in their favor, how they will be jumping up on social media, trying to show that muscle. Today, everywhere is somehow calm. You get why? So, my people, thank you so much, and God bless you all that joined me on this one. And please, before you go, if you have not liked the video, like the video and subscribe to the channel. God bless you all, and bye bye for now. See you again.